Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let me know if you guys can hear me okay. So welcome, guys. Welcome to the new live stream here on YouTube. So go ahead. This is new here. So this is a new platform that we're using. So I just want to make sure you guys can see me and hear me. All right. So if you can, just go ahead and put a yes in the chart. Okay. So welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. All right. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Again, just let me know if you can see the chat and you can see me. And we'll go ahead and get started in a minute. All right, so you guys, okay, so you guys can see me. So let's go ahead and get started. Welcome, guys. We hope you guys had a great weekend. Welcome, welcome. All right, now bear with me this evening because this is a new platform that we're using. All right, so just bear with me, and we're going to go ahead and get right into it. Let's go over current positions, okay, guys? So current positions in Monster Scalper, all right? So current positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go here. Let's bring in these are long positions now. So long positions in Monster Scalper. Okay, now these are on the 60-minute time frame, okay? On the 60-minute time frame. USD MXN closed its long position, all right? So USD MXN, that closed its long position, so we're going to close that position right here, all right? USD MXN, that's on the 60-minute time frame, all right? On the 60-minute time frame, that position closed. That was the only long position we've got, all right? So that's the only long position we've got. So please close the trade. All right. We do have short positions, okay? So short positions on the 60-minute time frame. Let's go through those. Now, we'll go through the markets also, but I do want to go through current positions before I forget this evening, okay? All right, so TRY, JPY also closed its position on the 60-minute time frame. So this was a sell short position, guys. So short here and then buy to cover here. We should be out of that trade, okay? So just remember, TRY, JPY, close the trade, please. Pound yen is on the 60-minute now. 60-minute time frame, short position. All right, pound yen, GBP, JPY, sell short here, sold short on the 60-minute time frame, buy to cover right here. So close the trade, please. Okay, so close the trade. All right, pound yen. All right, Aussie yen also closed. So these yen pairs, guys, are closing, right? They're closing. So just be aware of that, okay? So Aussie yen, sell short signal here, buy to cover here. So close the trade, all right? Close the trade, please. That's Aussie yen. So we should be out of Aussie yen also, okay? So currently no positions, no long or short positions in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame, okay? On the 60-minute time frame. On the 240, we do have some long positions, so let's go through those. All right, on the 240-minute time frame, EUR HUF long, guys, on the 60-minute time frame, on that on the 240, buy signal here, red candle, close the trade. EUR, HUF. EUR, CZK also closed. Let me show you guys here. So buy signal here, broke support, sell signal. So EUR, CZK, close the trade, please. EUR, SEK, that's still holding. All right, so buy signal here and a good trade going right here. EUR, SEK. All right. USD ZARs, dollar ZAR, guys, that's closed. Buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. So dollar ZAR, close the trade. All right, USD HKD, that's still holding right here. All right, with dollar DKK, we've got resistance right here. So buy signal here, guys. We need to get past resistance right here. So far it is holding. All right, it is holding. USD DKK, USD CZK. All right, buy signal, it was right here, and buyers are holding. We need a bounce, so it's white candle, so consolidating here a bit. We need buyers to come on back in and test resistance here. Okay, now just remember, we have a lot of sellers sitting here, and here, and here. All right, so we're right here. We need to move higher here. All right, USD CZK, USD HUF, that trade closed. Buy signal here, red candle right here, close the trade. USD HUF. All right, USD PLN also closed. Okay, so buy signal here, red candle, close the trade. So USD PLN, close the trade, please. And then USD MXN, good trade going here, guys. Buy signal right here. You guys can see that. And here we are testing, looking to test resistance right here. Hopefully we can break through that resistance. Okay, and we will take a look at the dollar index. Buy signal here, holding firm. Okay, USD MXN, we'll leave that for now. All right, USD CZK, we talked about that, and then USD DKK. Buyers are coming in here, right here. Buyers are coming back in on USD DKK. All right, we do have some short positions. All right, so we do have some shorts. Let's take a look at those. All right, in Monster Scalper on the 240-minute time frame, let's take a look at those. Let's open it up here. All right, pound yen, guys, pound yen short is still holding. All right, so good trade going here. Pound yen sell short signal is here. All right, price moved down nicely. All right, holding support, held support here. This is an area, guys, it's reached its target. If you guys want to take profits, you can certainly take profits. Okay, if you start getting white candles in here, again, it's reached its support down here, reached its target. You might just want to close the trade and take your profits. Okay, pound yen, great trade going. We'll leave it open for now. Okay, but great trade going. Pound yen. All right, and then Swiss yen. All right, Swiss yen. Sell short signal here, still holding. Again, with this, it's reached its target here for now. If you want to take profits, that's fine. We'll leave it open, okay, for now. All right, our current positions in Forex Dominator long. It's on the daily time frame, guys. So let's take a look at those. All right, so euro, EURSEK, EURSEK. Buy signal is here. That's holding fine. Let's see, we've got resistance right here. Buy signal here, holding. EUR, NZD, guys, look at that. Keeps moving higher. Got past sellers here. All right, on a break of resistance here. Keeps moving higher. Great trade here. EUR, NZD. EUR, NOK. Again, buy signal here. Getting past sellers here. Breaking resistance. All right, so great job in these euro pairs, okay? EUR CAD, buy signal here, moving up nicely here, okay? All right, Euro CAD, Euro Aussie, buy signal here. Just remember resistance. Now this is on the daily time frame, okay? So resistance is right, let's bring it right about here, okay? Support is down here. All right, so buy signal here. All right, moving up nicely here, okay? All right, pound SGD, these are long. Pound SGD, buy signal here. All right, buy signal here. All right, a bit of a pullback, holding, keep an eye on it. Pound HKD, buy signal here, holding above resistance right here. Green candles coming in after a big white candle here. Keep an eye on it. Buy signal is right here, holding right here. Pound CAD, all right, buy signal here, holding firm. And then pound Aussie, buy signal here, getting past sellers, right, past resistance right here. Nice big break of resistance. Okay, so that's pound Aussie, pound Aussie. All right. We do have some shorts, several shorts in Forex Dominator. All right, TLY, JPY, guys, short in Forex Dominator, that's still holding. TLY, EUR, JPY, sell short signal here, that's still holding. Now the markets were up, so the Dow, if you guys see here, Dow was up in a big way on Friday, up over 654 points. NASDAQ was up, the Russell was up right here. All right, S&P was up. So keep an eye. We had buyers coming in, so keep an eye on the shorts, okay? The dollar index is currently down. All right, E-minis are up, okay? So we could get a boost, right, in equities and in the E-minis, and remember these yen pairs will follow these indexes. So you see they're up right now, and these are short. So really keep an eye on those. Remember the 60-minute time frame, yen short 60-minute has closed, and we only have 2 on the 240. So we could see buyers coming in and really push these yen pairs up on the daily time frame. Okay. EUR JPY is holding so far. SGD JPY, that's holding. HKD JPY, that's holding. USD JPY, that's holding right here. Pound yen, that's holding. NZD JPY, all right, that one made it all the way down to its support area, guys. See here, nice big short right here, and it's finding support right here. So this is one where if you want it, just go ahead and take profits, okay? Take profits right here, okay? If you wanted to do that, we're going to leave it for now. It hasn't closed, but that's one where you could go ahead and take your profits there. CAD yen, same thing here. Now, we've got support right here on CAD yen. CAD yen support right about here. Further support is about right here. Okay, CAD yen. Aussie yen, Aussie yen. All right, sell short signal here. That's holding. All right, New Zealand dollar. Sell short signal here, guys. It's reached its target right here. Again, this is one, if you wanted to, you can reduce the time frame and then look to take some profits right here. Okay. All right. That's New Zealand dollar. New Zealand, Swiss, same thing, guys. Sell short signal here, made it all the way. Good trading here, all the way down to support. All right, keep an eye on it. Okay, so this is one you can take profits right here. Okay, but keep an eye on it if you want to continue to hold. All right, boy, it's got good support here. Just be aware of that. Okay, it's already reached its target. Aussie dollar, holding for now, and then Aussie Swiss holding for now. This is the one where we have good support down here. Resistance is up here. All right. So just be aware of this. Okay. Again, this is one you can certainly take some profits, scale out a bit. Okay. All right, we're going to go through equities. Before we go through equities, I want to show you guys what's going on big picture. All right, so big picture on the Dow. All right, big picture on the Dow weekly time frame, guys, still holding. All right, so the Dow is holding time. I'm fine on the big picture. All right, let's see here. Big picture on the Dow on the weekly time frame. All right, still holding. All right, still holding. Here's our trend line here, and it is breaking through resistance here. All right, so the Dow had a big up day, a big week last week. All right, so breaking out. Okay. On the S&P, same thing. All right, holding right here. A bit more selling on the S&P. Now, we do have a sell signal on the daily time frame. Do have a sell signal on the daily time frame. But on the weekly, it's holding so far. Okay. All right. The NAS on the weekly time frame, it's holding. Let's do this. So on the weekly time frame, guys, buy signal here, that's holding. We'll need to hold that trend line right here. The NAS has been in trouble though. Okay, so on the daily time frame, we have a sell signal. The Russell had a nice pop, okay, last week. So buy signal here, and it is breaking out for small caps. Looks really, really good. All right, for small caps. The VIX. Big picture on the VIX weekly time frame, guys. The VIX is holding right here. And dollar just consolidating. Not a lot with the dollar. And then pound yen, big picture, right? Trading right at that trend line. So let me show you guys right here. Right at that trend line. Right, made a move right to that trend line. Pound yen is holding. It needs to hold the trend line on the weekly time frame here. Okay, it needs to hold that trend line right here. All right. So let's go back here and let's take a look at the current positions, long positions, in our small cap system, which is Stock Boss. Okay, so let's go through these quickly here. All right, so BGC. Oh, wrong chart. Hold on. All right. So BCG, guys, on the daily time frame in Stock Boss. All right, here. Buy signal here, that's holding so far. You guys can see that there. All right, we'll go through this. If we get a white candle, guys, we'll just stop and take a look at it. Red candle, sell signal, will get out, or a sell signal by the system, a white arrow, will go ahead and close the trade. So BRKL, that's holding. FFWM, that's holding. SLQT, that's holding. TRTX, that's holding. VLY holding. So small caps held, guys. ADPT, that's holding. AKBA, that's holding. ALEC, that's holding. AVXL holding. BVS, that is holding. CCC holding. What's that? CTKB, that's holding. EBS, guys, right at its resistance level, and that is holding firm right here. All right, so buy signal here and holding firm right here. All right, so good trade going right here. Okay. EBS. RZLT, buy signal here, that's holding. SIG, buy signal here, moving up nicely here. All right, moving up nicely. And let's see here. SLGN, buy signal here, holding firm. EOSE, that's holding also there. Okay, so great trades going there. Let's make sure. All right, let's see. I'm looking for data. Do we have any data coming out tomorrow? No data coming out tomorrow, Monday. Okay, and then overnight in the Euro session, we don't have any data also. Okay, so we don't have data, guys, until Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday, as far and that's in the Euro session. All right, so the Asian and Euro session, we don't get data in the New York session until Wednesday. Okay, all right, so so we might get some direction here. We might have some direction here with equities. Okay, so just keep an eye on that. So again, right here, the Russell, guys, Russell. All right, buy signal here on the Russell on the daily time frame. That's holding firm on the Russell. All right, that's helping those stocks in Stock Boss. All right, right here, that's helping those stocks. So these are small caps, and we are seeing a move back into small caps. Okay, now large caps, they've been lagging a bit, right? We've taken a look at the Magnificent Seven stocks. They've lagged a bit. We did see some buying come in on Friday, but they are lagging. All right, so let's take a look at these large cap stocks. We only have a few left. All right, we only have a few left here. All right, so Bull Master, guys, we only have one. All right, in Bull Master. NRIX, that's holding firm. Buy signal here was at 1730, trading at 2190. Okay, so that's holding firm right here. We only have one. All right, Bull Master Pro with fundamentals, APO. All right, buy signal here, that's holding fine. AX, nice move, guys, in AX, gapped up on Friday. That trade started, what a beautiful trade, started We send out that buy signal at around 62, guys, 62, 63, right around here, trading at 76. Just a great trade going. Coke, still holding, looking to break through, breaking resistance right here. We'll move that up right about here. Buy signal here on Coke, looks good. Goldman Sachs, buy signal here. A bit of a pullback, but holding fine. That's financial. All right. HWKN, buy signal here, right? Look at this. You guys, I don't know if you remember this. HWKN, we talked about this trade back in, what was May? We got a buy signal in May. And you guys, I don't know if you remember, it consolidated here for a long time, right? Held all green candles, all right? No white candles, but it just held, right? Held that resistance. And then we were looking for a breakout that finally came in, all right? So that buy signal was at 79, all right? And this is where we waited right at about $90 or so, finally broke out. And now look at that break, and now continuing to move higher, trading at 107. What a great trade that turned out to be. PIPR, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Now we've trimmed things a bit. All right, we had several positions that closed after that week of some selling there. So that's all we've got left. And like I said, we still have sell signals, okay? So we still have to be careful. On the S&P, we have a sell signal, okay? All right, so S&P right here, sell signal on the S&P. So be aware of that, guys. We have to take these sell signals seriously, okay? All right, so sell signal on the S&P. We do have a sell signal on the NASDAQ right here. Buy signal here, sell signal. You guys see these red candles. All right, so that's important. All right, we could see sellers coming in. I know we had a big update on Friday, but we could see sellers come in at any time. All right, so be aware of that. All right, Russell looks good. Buy signal is still intact on the Russell. All right, so that's small cap. And on the Dow, buy signal is also still intact. All right, buy signal here. All right, we needed the Dow to hold previous resistance, become support, and it held. All right, it held, and we got a move, big move. 654 points. That's a big update on the Dow. Okay, and then just remember, the VIX is at 16 right here. Okay, guys, so just remember that. We'll be watching the futures market right here. So we'll be watching the futures market. Currently, it's down, but we'll be watching it. E-minis, that's up right now. No, we'll take a look before I forget at the US 30. So we're US 30 traders. Okay, we'll go through what's setting up. Oh, we actually have a buy signal on the US 30. We'll go through that. Okay, Forex. So Forex tracker. We have volatility, guys. So we have a lot of good volatility here. On the daily time frame, also a lot of good volatility on the 240. We get in consolidation on the 60-minute. Okay, see all this red here, guys, on the 60-minute time frame. So just be careful. Things are slowing a bit on the 60-minute time frame. These shorts are closing. All right, so these yen shorts, I'll go through. We'll take a look at Monster Scalper, but these yen shorts are closing. So just remember, after a big run, which we've had in these yen pairs short, okay, after we've had a big run with these yen pairs, they will close and consolidate. All right, and that's what we're seeing here for right now. We still have good direction. So in the Aussie, all right, Aussie, Kiwi, and yen pairs on the daily time frame, we've got selling. All right. On the 240, same thing here. We've got selling, okay? And on the 60-minute, we've got selling, but we've got some buying coming in here, all right? So we might get somewhat of a reversal after these shorts have closed. So we'll look for some opportunities on the 60-minute, okay? But those shorts have closed, all right? All right, so let's go right into that. So let's take a look at, we're going to go right here, Monster Scalper. Okay, guys, this is all brand new, so I'm still trying to figure this out, but I love this platform, okay? And hopefully on your end, you guys should see more of the screens, okay? So I know on the other platform, the smaller screen, so hopefully you guys can see more of the screen and perhaps hear me much better too, okay? All right, so Monster Scalper, let's take a look, see if we can find some trades on the 60-minute time frame. I doubt we'll find anything on the 240, all right? But on the 60-minute time frame, let's see if we can find some buy signals to go long. Now, these were the shorts. So these shorts were here, all right, and they've closed. All right, so great short here, Aussie Swiss. So that closed. Aussie dollar closed, okay. Aussie New Zealand, nothing here. And then New Zealand dollar, is that short is still open, okay. So wait for that to close. Okay, no shorts, guys, no shorts unless things change overnight and we get new sell short signals on the 60-minute. But right now, right, buyers are trying to come in on that 60-minute. So we could get, I would say right now, a counter trend trade. Okay, on the smaller time frame. Overall, you guys know, right, these yen pairs, overall, they're still in a big markup phase. All right, some of them have sell signals, so it's a little tricky. Okay, so just be aware of that. So let's see if we can find some long position. So Aussie dollar, right, nothing yet. Aussie New Zealand, all right, on the 60-minute time frame. All right, so we do have a buy signal. It's holding here. I would say wait for it to break resistance, right, on the 60 minutes. So we need to get past sellers here, all right, before you can get in. So Aussie AUD and ZD long 60-minute, all right, but put a wait, all right. So we're gonna wait for a break. All right, break and close. So we needed to break and close, okay, above resistance there. All right, above resistance. So that's Aussie New Zealand. Aussie Swiss. All right, Aussie Swiss. All right, no buy signal, guys. Wait for a buy signal to come in. You could get a buy signal anytime now, really. So a buy signal somewhere, anywhere in here. Look at this, good markdown phase. All right, so here was the short. All right, look at that, beautiful markdown phase. Now, even if you get a bounce anywhere up in this area here, you get a bounce, and then it can turn short again, okay? But, you know, this is due for a nice bounce. All right, and with equities moving higher, I mean, these indexes are moving higher. Right now in the futures market, we could see a bounce, okay? So, right, it breaks through. This is a good setup, right? Breaks through, gives a buy signal somewhere in here, okay? Like I said, doesn't have to get all the way back up here. But even if it makes it back to here, which might be we won't have to look at the 240, but good setup here. All right. So Aussie, Swiss. So keep an eye on that. No buy signal yet, but definitely keep an eye on that. Aussie, Swiss, Aussie CAD. All right, same thing. Good markdown phase. These were great shorts. So those of you who captured these shorts, good job. Okay. I'm not seeing the chat. I think my chat disappeared. I'll figure all this out. All right. All right. So that buy signal, guys, on Aussie CAD could come in perhaps right here on a break of resistance here. Okay. And just be aware, if you guys take any of these trades, you might have to get back out quickly. Okay. All right. But hopefully, right, hopefully they make, you see buyers come in. Trades like this, we could see, you guys have done this before. You can see buyers come in a big way, push the price all the way back up, especially on the 60-minute time frame. All right, so these are decent setups here. Same thing, New Zealand, Swiss. All right, good markdown phase. Yeah, these are great setups. So you could have shorted it. All right, did really well shorting it, like the short New Zealand Swiss, right here. All right, good short that closed, right? So a short signal here, buy to cover now. All right, you could take it long, okay? All right. All right, green candle here, and let's put, all right, so resistance is about here. So we get a nice break, right? That resistance, we could get a buy signal anywhere in here, and then it would be great. All right, move all the way back up here. All right, that's New Zealand, Swiss. New Zealand CAD, same thing. Now the yen pairs, also the same thing, okay? But we don't have any real buying coming yet, okay? So the only one, TRY, JPY, we got some candles. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen, see that buy signal failed here, so the yen pairs are not quite ready, all right, quite ready yet, like the Aussie and the Kiwi pairs, okay? Dollar index, just be careful with the dollar index, so we don't have any direction with the dollar index, okay? On the 240-minute time frame, guys, just wait, okay? So in the 240-minute, nothing there. In Forex Dominator, things are just holding, so nothing there right now. So your best bet, okay, is on the 60-minute time frame and buying, okay? No shorts. Those shorts are closing, so just look for opportunities to go long. But again, just be careful. Our US 30 traders, there is a buy signal. We're going to call this buy signal, okay? So buy signal was here. Now, we didn't call it, right? On Friday, we didn't call it. All right, buy signal here. This is after that selling happened here. Buy signal came in. We didn't call it, but we're going to call it this evening, okay? So buy signal came in here, and here we are right now, 49.93. And what we're looking for on the daily time frame, now the Dow has been doing well, okay? So if we bring this down like this, so our US 30 traders, all right, so here is on the daily time frame. Here's the buy signal here, and then here on Friday, this is our big candle here. All right, so all right, buyers are in control, and now we broke resistance, and now we are trading above resistance, and we've holding. This is a very bullish sign. So let's move this for now. Okay, you guys have heard me talk about this. If you get a white candle followed by a green candle, that's very, very bullish. Okay, So we got that white candle here, couple of them here. Now we've got a big green candle that's bullish. This on the Dow now, on the Dow. All right. And that's your E-mini. All right. So big candle here. And now we have a second green candle right here. And we are trading above this resistance here. So we're getting past the sellers. That's bullish. Okay. That is a bullish sign. So this buy signal on the 60-minute, we're going to call it now, okay? And hopefully we get follow through in the New York session. And no data, we don't have any data coming in, so we might get some follow through, okay? So buy signal here, but entry is right here, right now, okay? Our target on this trade is right about here, and what we like to see is it break through. All right, so breakthrough here. All right, so buy signal here, we're looking for it to break through. Okay, at a minimum, get up to resistance here and hopefully settle down right in that area. Let's see if we have another target. So you guys can see it's breaking, definitely breaking out of this area here. Let's take a quick look at the weekly time frame. Okay, weekly time frame. Okay, on the weekly time frame, we're breaking resistance too on the weekly. Okay, boy, the Dow looks really good to break out. On the monthly time frame, look at on the monthly. Wow, that is so bullish. On the monthly time frame, guys, look at that buy signal here, and we're breaking out on the monthly time frame. All right, and look at this move since 2009. Just crazy, right, on the Dow. All right, so let's bring it back to the daily. Okay, so right now, all we're looking for is a move higher, and we'll capture that on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, so really good price action. Again, we're getting, and guess what? You got a discount here, okay? You got a discount. This was funky, but it's shaping up better there. On the NAS 100, we don't have anything. Wait. All right, so on the NAS 100, guys, let's wait to recapture this moving average on the NAS. The NAS is in trouble. All right, very different than the Dow. It's amazing how these things, how they change, right? So now it's the Dow and the Russell performing well. The NASDAQ, right, has a sell signal. We'll need the NASDAQ to recover the moving average, which it's trying, and we need a minimum of a white candle, all right, to take any long position. So just wait on the NAS, all right? So on the daily time frame, at a minimum, we need a white candle, all right, to let us know that buyers are at least coming in before we can take any longs on the 60-minute, because this could change quickly, just like it did here. All right, sellers came back in. So, but it is holding that trend line there. The SP 500, same thing. Now the S&P 500, we are getting a white candle here. All right, it did give a sell signal, but you see that white candle here? That's coming in. So we can start looking for buy signals. Now it hasn't closed yet, but that's fine. This would be a bit aggressive, so we could wait for a buy signal. That buy signal on the 60 could come in somewhere in here, and again, that will push up the white candle here. So, and it's still, so it's the trend line. It is holding its trend line. So trend line is right here, and we're getting a bounce. That's a very bullish sign, okay? So see here. All right, so red candles, white candles, buyers came in. Red candles, it's holding the trend line. Here, here, here. A white candle coming in, that is really bullish. Okay, so we get a buy signal on that 60-minute, we'll call it. Okay, all right. Those are your E-minis. Bitcoin, guys, is making a move higher. Okay, trading at 68,000. All right, so it held 64,000. The high on Bitcoin, the all-time high, is about 72. All right, 72, 73. Right now it's at 68. Now remember, we do not have a buy signal. We haven't had a buy signal for a while now in Bitcoin. Okay, so the last time we had a buy signal on the daily time frame, that is, was February. All right, February the 9th, and that trade closed on 4/18. All right, was that April 18th? So we haven't had a buy signal since. We've consolidated between support and resistance here. So we have to get past resistance in here. That buy signal could probably come in right at that resistance line. Okay, if that happens, and that's what 2,000 or 3,000 points on Bitcoin, and you guys know Bitcoin can do that in a day, in a few days. All right, in a day if it wants. Okay, so right now it's looking to break through near-term resistance, but your real resistance is right here. So keep an eye on that. I tell you, if Bitcoin gives the next buy signal on the daily, Bitcoin could go to definitely go to 90,000, guys. Yeah, if it breaks through here, it could go through it could get to 90, 100,000 if it breaks through here. We have real resistance here. Okay, and then on the weekly time frame, if you guys look here on that weekly time frame, Bitcoin breaks through. I'm telling you, Bitcoin breaks through this. It's a big resistance here. It can have another leg up. Okay, so let's bring that here. The 72, 73 is about right here. We might as well move it up to here and see what it can do. This is the weekly time frame here. Okay, and if you guys look here, so here is your markdown phase, markup, and just like we trade anything else, here it is at that resistance right here. Right here, and it looks like it wants to break through. If it breaks through, like I said, now this is just the high, but this is where it closed. The highest level where it closed was 71, where it actually closed. Okay, 71, we at 68. If it breaks through here, and it could break through here in a big way, we could see traders, investors really jump in. So keep an eye. But on the daily time frame, we don't have a buy signal. So again, if we get a buy signal on the daily, we could really see it move. Okay, just a few more minutes and we'll be done. Okay, monster futures, guys, nothing here long. All right, so nothing on the long side. On the short side, crude oil. Okay, so we were looking at crude oil to go long, but that long position closed a while back. Shorts are coming in on crude. Crude is trading at 79, but the shorts, our monster futures traders, I'd be very careful going short. All right, we don't even have sell short signals yet, but that's what's showing up here. All right, so you know, it's going short, but they're not shorting it in a big way. So crude oil here, all right, all this is crude oil. All right, all this is crude oil. Futures have been dead. I mean, almost flat for a few months now. All right, I don't know what's going on, but not a lot of price action, not a lot of good trades in monster futures. Okay, I think that's it. Forex dominator traders. Okay, nothing really, just the current positions. These yen trades, these yen shorts, be aware, guys, these yen shorts. We might cover these soon. We get additional buy-in. So if these candles turn right here, what the thing is, if they recover that trend line, even before you get white candles, so our monster, our Forex dominated trade who shorten these yen pairs, just keep an eye on them. All right. If we continue to move higher, okay, these yen pairs on the daily will recapture, okay, that moving average. So really, really watch this. Okay. Really, really watch these yen pairs, all of them. Okay. The overall trend is long, is up. So don't get stuck in this trade. See here? So it really does want to go long. Okay, so right, any kind of buy-in comes in, right? And if this the Dow, S&P, especially the Dow and the Russell, they keep going up, right? These yen pairs will, right? These sell short signals will fail, and they'll keep going up. Okay, so just be aware of that. That's a concern. Okay, that's a concern because the overall trend is long. Okay. All right, guys. I hope you like the new process, the new platform here. This is what we'll be using moving forward. All right. I'll get used to it. Okay. It's all brand new, but I like it so far. Hope you guys like it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Take care. Have a good one. If you guys need me for anything, you know how to reach me. Take care, guys. Okay. Bye-bye.